How to draw the Fall Guys logo. It's simpler than you think. Hey, I am Faiz and I upload twice a month. But that's besides the point. If you're new to this channel, I request you all to subscribe to the channel if you like the end product or just give the like button a little tap on its way. Anyways, don't forget to watch till the end or you'll miss out on a lot. So don't skip and let's jump right into the video. So you should start by drawing a rough sketch. Write the letter as I'm doing. Try drawing straight lines, but if you can't, then it's fine or just use a ruler. Remember, always use a pencil because with that you can always fix your mistakes.
They saying Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like pogos. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. But they're out like Somo. Cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's hard to lose. Top spot, I'm taking that face to face. Got a bottle in my hand, I'm facing that. Cause if winning is a habit, then I've been an addict. Every night it's cinematic. When you roll with us, and we won't live forever. But I will remember when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now. But we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer. When I met you in the summer. When I met you in the summertime with your fine ass, Merlot in that wine glass, she dope as hell from Jersey, baby. White girl, but the curves are crazy, and she up all night like Adderall. She like sushi too, we compatible. And these other guys average, so they mad to know, cause I'm ill like a dragon roll. Got cover girls in my room, but they don't need no makeup though. They just trying to party, live too fast to take it slow. Got summer flings and these summer things, but we just making memories. Just promise you'll remember me in that time when I met you in the summer. And I came to your town. We fell in love. Then we burned it to the ground. And we could be together, baby. But I gotta leave soon. Everybody's listening now. But we got nothing to lose. When I met you in the summer. Whoa, the summertime. The summertime, yeah, the summer. Yeah, the summertime, yeah. When I met you in the summer.
I know it all too well. Got another new day, still I'm feeling misplaced. I keep going down, down, down. Too many years going by, caught in an action I can't rewind on. And in my head I'm screaming,
Did you know I had a Redbubble account? Did you also know I uploaded designs that I drew here? You didn't? Now you know. So buy it. Even buying a sticker helps a lot, so yeah. Thank you. Okay, when the sketch is done, start by filling up the word fall with a light blue color. Use pencil colors or any kind of good coloring material. If you have sucky markers like me, don't be disappointed and just stop. It turns out good at the end, trust me. I added this very cool effect here because my hand was in the middle of the frame and you can't see nothing. So what's the point here? Anyways, color the guys pink.
One too many years going by. I'm caught in an action, I can't rewind. Oh, and in my head, I'm screaming, but out of my mind, I'm still too young to feel this way. Still too young to be running out.
Fill up the background starting from the top with the same light blue color, coming down, mixing the blue with pink. The logo might look stinka poo poo, but wait, we haven't added the black ink yet, so don't go into the comment section insulting me. It makes me sad. No, actually do it because it increases the engagement of the video. So, and while you're at it, comment down below what you want me to draw next. Okay, when you're done with the inking, you can see your drawing is popping a little more, but wait till you add white ink to it. Baby, it'll look good, like good. So do that. Done? Nice. Did you like it? I bet you do. So go subscribe or watch my other videos. Until next time, adios, senor.
They say Mike's about to blow though. Tell me something that I don't know. With the crowd bouncing like pogos. You can come on the tour bus, just please no photos. But they're out like Somo. Cause we be going off on the off nights. Cause I've been on every single song I put my pin on now. They don't know, or maybe they starting to. Cause I work so hard that it's